experiencing persistent export errors in Premiere Pro can completely derail your creative process. Having personally grappled with these frustrating rendering roadblocks, I spent considerable time testing numerous approaches and ultimately uncovered several reliable strategies that consistently resolve these issues, which I will now detail for you. First, clear your media cache. Premiere Pro stores temporary files for previews, and these can become corrupted or outdated, causing the software to reference bad data during export, leading to crashes. Clearing the cache forces Premiere Pro to rebuild these files from scratch, ensuring it operates with clean, valid information and eliminating a common source of rendering conflict. Next, ensure all graphics drivers and Premiere Pro itself are fully updated. Outdated GPU drivers often contain bugs or lack optimizations critical for the Mercury playback engine, especially with hardware acceleration. These incompatibilities frequently cause export glitches or outright failures. Similarly, older Premiere Pro versions might have known export bugs that have since been patched. Regular updates guarantee maximum compatibility and stability for a smoother export process. A powerful solution involves adjusting your renderer settings. Premiere Pro's Mercury playback engine typically uses your GPU for accelerated rendering. However, specific hardware or driver configurations can sometimes have a glitch or incompatibility with GPU acceleration, causing export failures. Switching the renderer to software-only mode forces your CPU to handle all rendering tasks, effectively providing a workaround for underlying GPU-related problems, allowing your project to export successfully. Finally, isolating corrupt media or sequence elements is a precise troubleshooting method. A single damaged video clip, an improperly formatted audio file, or even a problematic effect within your timeline can act as a poison pill, causing the entire export to fail. By systematically exporting sections, you pinpoint the exact problematic asset. Once identified, transcoding or replacing that specific media eliminates the rendering conflict, ensuring your project can export without interruption.